Hey, I'm Mechanic Mike from Riverside Metro Auto Group Service Center, and this is Maintenance Minute. Every time you drive your car, your cabin air filter is working hard to make sure the air you breathe is clean and clear of pollutants like smoke, dust, and allergens. We recommend getting your cabin air filter changed annually because over time, your cabin air filter goes from this to this. Just look at all of that buildup and debris that accumulates over time. Let's get this replaced. This is a simple fix that can greatly improve the air quality inside your cabin. Many people with allergies and respiratory problems don't realize that a dirty cabin air filter can really aggravate their symptoms. If you notice any unusual odors or feel a restricted airflow coming from your vents, or that your AC or heating system isn't working correctly, it may be time to have your cabin air filter replaced by our factory-trained technicians. I'm Mechanic Mike, and this has been your Maintenance Minute.